Welcome to Tricky Apps. Time and work. Now, I am going to explain key points and important formulae from the chapter Time and Work. There is a chance to get at least one question from this chapter in all competitive exams. Let us understand these key points more clearly. First one, work and person. Work and person are directly proportional to each other. In the picture, we see some work on the table. To complete this work, 2 employees are working on it. Here, as there is more work, we need more employees to complete it. That is, if we have more employees, then we can complete more work. Second one, time and person. Here, time and person are inversely proportional to each other. It means, if there are more number of people, then it takes less time to complete the work, and if there are less number of people, it takes more time to complete the work. Here, there are 2 employees trying to complete the work in given time. If 2 employees work on a certain time, it takes 8 hours for them to complete the work. And here, there are 4 employees to complete the given work. And they complete it in 4 hours. So, we need more men to complete the work in less time. That is, if we have more time, then we can complete the work with less men. Third one, work and time. Work and time are directly proportional to each other. That means, if work is more, then it will take more time to complete the work, and if work is less, it will take less time to complete the work with same number of employees. Here, 2 employees completed the work in 4 hours. And here, the company increased the work but is trying to complete the work with the same number of employees. Now, it takes 8 hours for the same number of employees to complete the work, whereas earlier it took only 4 hours. So, if we have more work to do, then we need more time. And if we have more time, then we can do more work. Now, let us see some formulae. Formula 1. A person can do a piece of work in n days. That is, person's 1 day's work is 1 by n. Let us see an example. Jessica completed her work in 20 days. How much work can she do in 1 day? Let us see the solution. From the question, Jessica can complete the work in 20 days. That is, here n is equal to 20. From the formula, a person's 1 day's work is 1 by n. So here 1 by 20. So Jessica's 1 day's work is 1 by 20. Thanks for watching. For full videos, download our app from the Play Store.